Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel. We grow the solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2013 AMC question number 4. 8 friends ate at a restaurant and agreed to share the bill equally. Because Judy forgot her money, each of her 7 friends paid an extra $2.50 to cover her portion of the bill. What was the total bill? So if we think of what they should be paying, we can consider that as x. So we know the quantity we're looking for is 8x. But because Judy forgot her money, each of her 7 friends paid an extra $2.50 to cover her portion. So we know that 8x, which is our total amount, has to be covered by 7 times x plus 2.5. Because this is how much each friend has to pay extra, the new amount, and this is the number of friends, and this is the total here. So now we can solve this. We have 8x equals 7x plus 17.5. Which means that x equals 17.5. And we're looking for the quantity 8x, which means that 8 times 17.5. So 8 times 0.5 is going to be 4, 8 times 7 is going to be 56, and 8 times 10 is going to be 80, which means our answer is 140, which means that C is our answer.